Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm here at Kapital Kidvention, and right behind me is the Showtime table booth. These are amazing tables. They were designed originally by Joe Leffler, a balloon artist and clown, an amazing man, and they are now owned and operated by Christopher Weed, and he has taken this and made it even more fantastic. All sorts of innovations, but if you need a table to work out of, if you are a professional entertainer and you want to store your goods, you want to take them with you, but you want to have a table that shows off like amazing ways, this is the way you want to do it. So I'm here again with Christopher Weed.
Hello. How are you, buddy? Good to see you.
It's good to see you too. Now here's the thing, we were just talking about you, and we want to let you know that anyone who wants to come in and perform as a professional, they need to see you. Is that correct?
Well, I think there's three things you need if you're a pro. You need a table, you need a backdrop, and you need a sound system.
And you take care of at least one of those sometimes too, right?
Exactly. We have 6,000 performers around the world using our tables now. We're the industry standard. We make every size, shape, configuration imaginable, custom stuff for people all over the world too. It's a lot of fun.
That's amazing. I've had one for just a couple years now, and I was one of the holdouts, but I'll tell you what, don't be a holdout. You need to go out and buy one of these tables because they're amazing.
Well, the other thing is a lot of people have had one for 20 or 30 years, and the table looks like it's 20 or 30 years old, but they're used to it. It's sort of like in your living room, you might have a couch that doesn't look so good anymore, but it's still comfortable. But audiences notice that stuff because it's the first time they're seeing those things. So, yeah, that 30-year-old table probably doesn't cut it anymore in your show.
That's right. Keep it as a memento of Joe Leffler and come out and buy one from Christopher Weed. That's the way to do it, right?
That's exactly right.
Okay. Thank you again, Chris. I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time.